Hi, if you're watching this video, then you must have questions about the Lilla Rose business opportunity or the Fast Start plan. I'm Sue Ellen Hale, an independent stylist with Lilla Rose, and I'm also the Shining Stars team leader. And I'd love to help you start on this beautiful journey. Lilla Rose is a unique company in the direct sales industry. First of all, every new stylist will join with the Ready Set Style Kit. It's $300 worth of product and business supplies, now available for just $89. It's everything you need to get a great start. A free website, marketing supplies, and at least 17 various hair accessories to show off to everyone as you begin sharing these hair solutions with your friends and family. With absolutely no additional fees, you'll have the opportunity to earn 30 to 45% commission as you sell these amazing accessories, and you also have no monthly or quarterly minimums. Lilla Rose provides free training, and you'll have lots of support from your team members in the Lilla Rose family of stylists. But there's another option that you need to know about too, the Lilla Rose Fast Start. If you're serious about starting a business, you'll want to have this information. The top 3 benefits to the Fast Start are: benefit number 1, you're going to get $1,100 in hair accessories that you can sell immediately. This is perfect for those that want to do craft and vendor shows or want to sell in person from your own inventory. You can't beat this deal. The Fast Start includes $1,100 of product for only $500 additional dollars. It's the deepest discount you can possibly get as a stylist, but it's only available at enrollment. So you get one shot at this amazing deal. Benefit number 2. You'll start out at our highest commission level for your first 30 days. Everyone starts at 30% every month, but Fast Start enrollees immediately jump to 45% for your first 30 days. Why is that important? Well, if you decide or need to order more inventory, you're already 45% off. And as you get out there and share your excitement about your new business, any orders that come in to your free website will also earn you 45% commission. Benefit number 3. With the Fast Start Kit, you automatically become Fast Start bonus qualified forever. Now let me explain what that means. You get additional bonuses when you enroll people under you, down 3 levels. Notice I said when you enroll people, because it will happen. So if someone joins under you with the Fast Start Kit, you get a $200 bonus. If someone 2 levels down join with the Fast Start Kit, you'll get a $50 bonus. And if someone joins 3 levels down from you with the Fast Start Kit, you'll get a $25 bonus. Now, if they join without the Fast Start, you'll still get a 40% bonus on their first inventory order. Lilla Rose has been such a blessing to me and my family since I joined in 2011. It's helped pay for family vacations, Christmas gifts, and more. I have grown incredibly in my confidence and received recognition for my accomplishments. I've made so many friends, and I truly love the Lilla Rose family. If you still have questions, reach out and let me know. I'd love to help you start your own Lilla Rose journey.